Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all students. Okay, I hope everyone is healthy and ready to join English PDPR with Mr. Fizri. Okay, saya harap semua bersedia, semua sihat. Okay, dan saya doakan semoga semua dimurahkan rezeki. Alright, so today is Thursday, Khamis, 19th of August 2021. Okay, today we will do something simple, something very easy. Okay, sangat senang dan mudah yang kita dah belajar masa darjah 1, darjah 2. Tapi bila dah darjah 5, 6 ni, ramai students yang masih belum mahir, masih belum pandai lagi. Okay, so we will do revisions lah. Okay, we will do revisions, ulang kaji on basic conversation. Basic conversation. Okay, basic maksudnya asas. Okay, asas. Conversation, perbualan. Perbualan, asas. Okay. Okay, so here are the answers to common English questions. Jawapan kepada soalan-soalan bahasa Inggeris yang common, yang biasa-biasa, yang selalu kita dengar, selalu jumpa. Okay, so here are the questions. Alright, ini adalah soalan yang biasa awak selalu jumpa, this one. Okay, here are the answers. Okay, the problem is bila nak jawab ni, ramai yang tak tahu. Okay, so now let us read this together. Okay, number 1. What's your name? What's your name? Apa nama kamu? So we can answer, my name is Sophia. My name is Sophia. Nama saya Sophia. Oh, my name is Fizri. My name is Muhammad. Okay. My name is Siti. Okay. Or you can make it short. Okay. Jawapan pendek. I am Liam. I am Sophia. I am Fizri. Okay, both are correct. Dua-dua pun betul. Next, number 2. Where are you from? Where are you from? So, bila where ni mestilah tentang lokasi atau tempat di mana awak berasal ataupun awak berasal daripada mana. Okay. So, I am from France. I am from France. Okay, dia duduk France, Perancis. Oh, I am from Malaysia. I am from Malaysia. I am from Johor. I am from Batu Pahat. I am from Segamat. I am from Kuala Lumpur. Okay. Oh, you can write like this. I come from the UK. Okay, UK ni kena tambah the. Tapi kalau tempat macam Malaysia, Batu Pahat, Johor, KL, tak perlu the lah. I come from Johor Bahru. I come from Kluang. I come from Negeri Sembilan. I come from Kelantan. Okay. Number 3. Where do you live? Where do you live? Kamu tinggal di mana? Okay. I live in Paris. I live in Paris. Okay. I live in Batu Pahat. I live in Taman Nira. Okay. Boleh. No problem. Okay, now. How old are you? How old are you? Berapa umur kamu? I am 26 years old. I am 26 years old. Saya berumur 26 tahun. Okay. I am 12 years old. I am 10 years old. I am 11 years old. Or the short answer will be like this. I am 28. Okay, dia tak letak pun perkataan years old pun masih betul sebab soalan dia tentang umur. So jawapan dia I am just number saja. I am 9. I am 10. I am 30. Macam tu. Next, lastly, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? Bila hari jadi kamu, hari lahir? My birthday is on January 1st. Okay, my birthday is on January 1st. Okay, sini kita letak bulan. Sini kita letak berapa harinya, berapa hari bulan. Kalau satu hari bulan, first, ST. Kalau 2 hari bulan, second, ND. Kalau 3 hari bulan, third, RD. Okay. Nak tahu huruf apa ni, kena tengok sebutan dia. Sebutan. Kalau 4 hari bulan, fourth, TH. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, ninth, tenth. Okay. Kalau hujung dia T tu, TH lah. Right. So tak apa, kalau tak tahu you just try je. Salah tak apa, no problem. Nanti saya akan betulkan. So, yeah. This is your homework. Very easy, sangat senang. Ini macam darjah 3 punya homework je sebenarnya Okay, sangat senang. Okay, fill in the table with your info. Okay, isikan jadual ini dengan maklumat kamu. So I want you to copy this table, okay, salin table ni in your E1 or E2 writing book, in your English book, and fill in your details here. Isi maklumat diri kamu, okay. So if you have any problem, you can WhatsApp me. Ada masalah boleh tanya. Or if you have anything to ask, apa-apalah nak tanya, tak kisahlah tentang soalan ni ke, tentang lain-lain ke, boleh WhatsApp saya. And after you have finished, please take picture and WhatsApp to me. So I wish you good luck and have a nice day. See you next time. Goodbye.